Is the swipe up gesture not working on your iPhone? Follow these methods to fix it. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears, then release. After restarting, unlock your iPhone with your passcode and check if swipe up works again. Fix 2. Check iPhone battery health. If the issue happens frequently, a force restart is only a temporary solution. Now check your battery health. Open Settings on your phone and tap on Battery. Go to Battery Health. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone may experience lags, freezes, gesture failures, like swipe up not working. In this case, the best solution is to replace the battery at an Apple-authorized service center. After battery replacement, the phone usually works smoothly again. Fix 3. Update iOS to the latest version. If your battery health is above 80% and the issue still happens, open Settings on your phone. Tap on General. Then, go to Software Update. Install any pending iOS update. Apple regularly fixes gesture bugs, memory issues, performance glitches. Updating iOS often permanently resolves swipe-related problems. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.